Sorry.
Top 10.
Carried away. Stop it.
Pero alam mo, gusto kong marinig yung energy ng Aurora pag pumasok na.
Kaya nga, go.
Alam ko, we will be watching later a fireworks display while they are performing here. Kailangan super power talaga na energy.
Yes, and once again, guys, for those of you who have your phones taking videos, don't forget to tag us as well and tag Beanie at Beanie_PH and tag us as well on Aurora Music Fest with our hashtags.
And hashtag Aurora Music Fest for 2025 and hashtag Epic Events.
Okay, before we start, of course, with our next performer,
Next and last and the final performer.
yes,
The finale.
the finale of the night.
Wow.
Beanie tuloy. Bilog, saan na ba kayo?
Siyempre gusto natin palakasan ng energy yung mga nasa kanan. Are you guys ready?
Eh, hindi magpapatalo dito sa kaliwa!
Hit na magpapatalo pa tayo! Kaya naman Aurora Nation bagay na!
Oh my God!
Grabe yung energy, no? From 1 p.m. to 12 midnight. Ganyan kalakas yung power ng Aurora Nation.
Kanina pa sila nandito, guys. As in, anong oras yung pinaka...
Anong oras?
7 a.m.
7
a.m.
2 a.m.
Sino dito yung may mga pasok pa bukas?
Sino hindi papasok bukas? Grabe sila!
Ako rin.
Ako rin. Parang hindi
Lahat
ako
tayo.
tomorrow.
Oh, rest.
Yes, rest tayo, guys. And also, again, don't forget to drink your water.
Yes, please drink your water mga B. Kung hindi po kayo umiinom ng water, meron po tayong hydrating stations wherein you guys can refill your water tumblers or bottles para naman hydrated.
Yes.
Yes.
Integrated.
Alright, so parang alam ko na nandito na yung pili, pero gusto ko muna makita lahat ng plumpillas ninyo.
Yan.
Itaas mo yung plumpillas.
Line it up. Oh.
Guys, yung sa mga plumpillas, feel ko magagamit nyo na yan right now!
Kaya naman, Blue!
Eto na.
Are you ready?
Woo! Okay, eto na sila. Are we ready for our nation's girl group?
Yes!
Aurora Nation, let's bring it up for
Bini!
gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang thank you. Thank you so much for everyone who's here tonight. I know it hasn't been easy. Sobrang hirap na magantay. Under the sun, under the rain, and ngayon, ang dami natin. Ilan tayo ngayon?
Almost
Okay.
90K. Sabi sa, sabi sa chismis ko rin. Really? 90K na?
Anong source mo?
Basta nakikatalag. Okay, vibe check muna tayo. Isang malakas na A! Ay, grabe, ready sila. Parang natulog sila ng maaga for this. Ano daw? Mag-hi ka daw, Ate Maloy. Madami kami pasabog sa inyo. Ready ba kayo, Aurora? May energy pa ba kayo, Aurora?
Ako, alam nyo habang... Okay, makinig kayo sa akin. Alam nyo habang tinitignan namin kayo, wala, sobrang saya ng feeling. Uy, makinig kayo sa akin!
Sorry kung natatakot na pagkalangin nyo. Okay?
Dito nga ako, dito ako. Okay, makinig kayo sa akin. Alam niyo ba na habang tinitignan namin kayong lahat, wala, sobrang saya lang sa feeling na nandito kayo naghintay for us and alam namin kung gaano kahirap talaga yung paghihintay ng ilang oras. And wala, sobrang sarap sobrang saya na dito talaga sa Clark, dito sa Aurora Fest, yung last show namin bago kami mag-world tour. And this is the biggest crowd na pinag-perform namin. So we love you! We love you! Yes! And for our next song, hindi lang to basta performance, blues, and everyone. Kasi ito yung celebration ng pagiging good vibes nating lahat na dala-dala ninyo. Imagine, kahit kanina umaga pa sila yung energy nila. Isang A nga dyan! Grabe yung energy nila. Kaya kung may mga kasama nyo, kapag kasama nyo yung mga loved ones, yung family and friends, tignan nyo sila. Okay, tignan nyo sila, yung mga katabi nyo. Tanungin nyo sila, are we feeling good tonight? Do you feel good?
I feel good.
This one's for you.
Ito, pawis kami, but we feel good. We feel good. We feel good. We feel good. Guys, thank God for the 8 LEDs kasi now fan cams are made here, di ba? Pero hindi kami papayag na kami lang yung nakakita sa mga screen kasi we also want to see you guys. So maghanda kayo kasi malay nyo, mag-flash kayo sa screen. Malay nyo lang naman. But yes, get ready guys. Grabe, ang refresh nyo pa rin kahit anong oras na. Thank you so much guys for the warm welcome. And tingin ko ready na kayo sa next performance namin. Diba? You think they're ready? Okay, ready na sila, hindi. Oh, yes. So, wait lang. Wait lang. They're getting ready. They're ready. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Regular confidence, I got a lot of it. So baby, it's nonsense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard you busy, yeah, I heard it doing great. I'm trying my best not to step up on the line, but let's have some fun with it. 'Cause you know I'm running. I'm lost inside your world, you're never symphony. If you like me, please twice. Are you naughty or nice? Baby, I'm a little spice. You try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, please twice. He's not even thinking about me.
Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me. I'm at this party tonight. Ready or not, don't you leave me.
I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Baby, I don't know what's spice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. You really like me, baby. Then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. You like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe I'm a little spice. You try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Wow, instant fan cam sila doon.
Yes! O, diba? Ang dali na mag-fan cam kasi may 8 screen! But guys, may mga nakakita akong may beanie light stick! That's how you see them. Raise your light sticks up, loud and proud. Can you see that? Turn it on! Sa mga walang light stick, pwede kayong magamit ng flashlight because for tonight, we are gonna do the Beanie Aurora. It's Beanie and Aurora Wave. So, sa mga may phones dyan, turn on nyo na yung mga cellphones nyo, yung flashlight nyo, and of course, sa mga meron lang naman, yung